What's up, guys? It's Taylor with LeSueur Car Company. We are back with another car review. Today we'll be taking a look at the all-new 2019 Honda Pilot. This has got the touring trim and it is a 7-passenger, so we get a third row of seating. A little bit of history on this vehicle. It is a one-owner vehicle. It's in awesome condition. Paint looks amazing, no scratches or dents or anything like that. And the interior looks equally as good. A couple awesome features on the exterior though. This one's got these kind of LED strips. They wrap all the way around those headlights. You get chrome trimming, fog lights down here. And coming around to the side, we get these massive two-tone alloy rims, silver and glossy black. And then we get the same chrome trimming under the windows and on the door handles. Coming around to the back, we do get a backup camera, touring badge just over there to the right, and then an automatic power lift gate. This third row of seating will go down to make more space for cargo space, but back here we do have a power outlet, 12 volt, and then get a little bit of cargo space down there as well. This closes automatically. Other than that though, we do get keyless entry on this Pilot. Let's take a look at the interior. Alright guys, as for the interior, we got lots of cool features to go through. Up on the steering wheel, it is leather wrapped with Bluetooth capabilities, voice control, cruise control, and then over here on the right we got our adaptive cruise control and our lane keep. Over to the left is where you'll find your eco mode, your lane departure warning, traction control. Front two windows are automatic. And then down to the left we got our trunk latch, gas cap, hood latch. Door panels look pretty good. We got this leather and then the aluminum trimming on the door handles. Over on the screen we get lots of cool stuff. We get navigation. We'll go home real quick. Get Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and then rear entertainment. We'll get into that in a sec. That's super cool. So lots of cool settings to go through. It is a touchscreen display and they keep it super simple. Just below we do get dual zone AC in the passenger side, driver's side, and we also get vents for these back seats. And then I don't know if you can see that vent, but we do get vents for that third row as well. Just under the AC controls we get our heated seat buttons for the front two seats. Blu-ray disc player, that actually has to do with the rear entertainment. And then just below that we get a 12 volt power outlet with a USB for smartphone connection. The gear shifter, we actually got 4 buttons here for parking, reverse, neutral, and drive. We also get a snow mode and an automatic engine start and stop system. Just inside the console here we have 2 pairs of headphones. And then in front, 12 volt power outlet again, and then our aux port and a USB for charging. Up above us though, we do get Homelink on the rear view mirror and a moonroof. Controls for that are just up in front of it. Let's hop in the back seat. Alright guys, we get a lot of room in these back seats, even in this third row. And then for the AC controls, we actually have heated seats for these back 2 seats as well. HDMI port, 2 headphones. We got the headphones just in the console there. And then we even get a wall plug in there, as well as 2 USBs for charging. And then for the rear entertainment, we get a TV just up in front of the second row. That'll be with the headphones, Blu-ray disc player, and remote controller, all 4. And then there are a ton of cup holders on the inside of this Pilot. We get 2 over there, 2 over here, 2 on each door in this middle row, and then 2 up there. So in total that's like 10 cup holders. So lots of cup holders on the inside. But a full black leather interior. We get armrests for these back 2 seats and the front 2 seats. Great feeling interior. To wrap it up, guys, this Honda Pilot is in awesome condition. It's just got over 10,000 miles on it. It's got awesome features like Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, full leather interior. We got that rear entertainment with 7 passenger seating. Other than that, we got alloy rims, LED headlights, and then to top it all off, we do have remote start. So you'll tap the lock button here, and then this little switch button twice, and then hold it. And it'll start up your Honda Pilot. Come on down to LeSueur Car Company and check it out. We'll see you guys soon.